Today the topic for discussion is the examples on the Newton backward interpolation formula. So this is the Newton backward interpolation formula, and we have to use the Newton backward interpolation formula for example purpose in this form. That is, what is the fx? So don't write this f of a plus nhu. So write fx is equal to f of a plus nh. That is the value at the last point. So what is the important in the backward interpolation formula? The last value or the value of the functions at the last point are important. The last point is important in the backward interpolation formula. In a forward interpolation formula, the first point is important. So what is the forward interpolation formula? Fx is equal to f of a. So instead of this a plus nh, there is a first point f of a. That is the first value. But in the backward interpolation formula, it is the last value f of a plus nh. U plus u del f of a plus nh. So here is in Newton forward interpolation formula, there is delta f of a. So instead of this delta, there is here is del, and the f of a plus nh, that is the last value at the last point, del of f of a plus nh, plus then next term in the forward interpolation formula is what? U minus 1 by 2 factorial. So instead of that, in this formula, in the backward interpolation formula, Newton backward interpolation formula, what is the term? U plus 1. So instead of u minus 1, there is u plus 1 divided by 2 factorial is same del square. There is a delta square. So here is del square f of a plus nh, f of last point. Then next term is what? U plus 1, u plus 2 by 3 factorial. So in the Newton forward interpolation formula, this term is what? U minus 1, u minus 2 by 3 factorial. So here is u plus 1, u plus 2 by 3 factorial. Del cube f of a plus nh. And this way all the remaining terms. And what is u? U is x minus a plus nh. That is x minus last point divided by common difference. In the forward interpolation formula, what is u? U is x minus a by h. That is x minus first point divided by h. So here is x minus last point divided by h. So this is the Newton backward interpolation formula in purpose of example. And what is the use of this formula? Is used to interpolating the values of the function fx near the end of given values, tabular values. That is the at the end of the table. When we use the Newton's backward interpolation formula, if we have to interpolate at the end of the table, and if the values of x are equidistant. So we will see problems on this interpolation formula. So first problem is the population of a town in census is given below. So this is the year, and this is the population of that town in thousands. So we consider this first row as the values of x, and the second row as the values of y or fx. And we have to find the value at year 1955. That is, here is the 1955. So if you observe, this 1955 is at the end of the table. So if we have to interpolate at the beginning of the table, then use Newton's forward interpolation formula. And if we have to interpolate at the end of the table, then we use the Newton backward interpolation formula. And if we have to interpolate middle of the table, then use either Newton forward or backward. But if we have to interpolate middle of the table, then you use Newton's forward interpolation formula. So and the values of, if we observe the values of x, so the values of x are equidistant. 1921, 1931, that is the difference is of 10. So the difference between 1931 and 1941 is 10. That is, the values are equidistant. So if the values of x are equidistant, and if we have to interpolate the value of the function fx, then use either Newton forward or backward. So if the values of the x are not equidistant, then use the further formula, that is the Lagrange's interpolation formula. So we have to find the value of year 1955. then prepare the forward difference, backward difference table. Instead of the forward difference table, here prepare the backward interpolation, backward difference table, because we have to find the value at year 1955 by using Newton backward interpolation formula. And so use so prepare the backward difference table instead of forward difference table. So this is the first column, that are the values of x, and this is the second column. Here write either x instead of year, and this is the table y is equal to fx. So this is the second column of the table, that is the values of y or fx. And then write the next column as del fx, next is del square, del cube, del raised to 4. So here the values of x are or y are in 5 number, and that's why the table last column of the table is del raised to 4. So further higher order differences are 0, that is del raised to 5, del raised to 6, all are 0, because the values of x or y are 5 in number. So so what is this entry? 66 minus 46 is the 20. So the method of preparation of forward difference table and backward difference table are same. So if we had to construct a forward difference table, then what is the change in this table? This column as it is, this column as it is, all the columns are as it is, only change at this place delta, at this place there is delta square, delta cube, delta, but the entries are same. So the forward difference table and backward difference tables method of preparing both are same. So these are the, but in the backward difference table these values are important. This is what? This is f of a plus nh. This is f of a plus nh. What is f of a plus nh? The last value of x. What is a? The first value. So here is important. What is the important? The last value is important. So these values are important. These underlying values are important. So this is a plus nh. This is f of a plus nh. This is del f of a plus nh. This is del square f of a plus nh, and all those remaining terms. So write the general Newton backward interpolation formula. Fx is equal to f of a plus nh, u del f of a plus nh, then all the remaining terms. So write terms up to del raised to 4 f of a plus nh, and then find u. What is u? X minus a plus nh divided by h, that is x minus last point divided by h. And what is h? H is 10. A plus nh is what? 1961. That is the value of x, last value of x. And what is x? 1955. That is, we have to interpolate the function fx at 1955. That is, we have to find the value of y or fx at x is equal to 1955. So x is what? 1955. And then find u. U is 1955. X minus last value of x divided by 10. That is h, common difference, and therefore it is minus 0.6. And then substitute all these values in this equation. Fx, x is 1955, and then f of a plus nh means last, the value of the function at last point, 101, and then u, and del f of a plus nh from table is 8, and all the remaining values del square f of a plus nh, and this is del cube f of a plus nh. All these values 8 minus 4 minus 1 are from this 101, 1961. 101 is what? F of a plus nh. Then 8 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3. These are the values of at this place 101, 8 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3. That is f of a plus nh, del f of a plus nh, del square f of a plus nh, del cube f of a plus nh, and all these values. And calculating, we have this answer 95.56. So this is what? This is the population at the year 1955 of that town. So next problem on the same method, that is the backward interpolation method. The following is table, given is table. And what is the table? The first row is age, the second row is premium. So consider this first row as the values of x and the second row as the values of y. And what do we have to find? We have to find the premium for policy maturing at the age is 63. So we have to interpolate the value at this place 63, that is lies between 60 and 65. And if you observe, all the values of these x are equidistant and the distance is 5. So write the first row as a first column, that is the values of x, the second row as a second column, that is the values of y or fx, and then del fx, del square fx, del cube fx, del raised to 4 fx. I can values of x or values of y are 5 in number, and therefore the last column is del raised to 4. And then write this minus this at this place, this minus this at this place. So the forward difference table entry in the backward difference table and forward difference table both are same, and these values are important. Then 65 is f of a plus nh. This is a plus nh, 65 means, and this 66.48 is f of a plus nh. This is del f of a plus nh. This is del square f of a plus nh, and all the remaining values. Then write the general formula, backward interpolation formula, and substitute the value of u. What is u? X minus last point divided by h. So h is 5, x is 63, and f of a plus nh is 65. That is the last value of the function. And then find u and substitute all the values of u and this f of a plus nh, del f of a plus nh. We have this answer. That is the value corresponds to 63. The next problem. This is age, and these are the annuity. So we consider this first row as a first column, second row as a second column, and prepare the backward difference table. This is the backward difference table, and write the general formula and substitute the values of u and all these values. And then what do we have the answer? At 27.5 is x, and f of a plus nh is the last point, is 29. That is the value of x at the last point, and we have the answer u is this. The right general formula and substitute the values. So this is 2 factorial, 3 factorial means 6, 4 factorial means 24, and find the value at this point. So this is also the same problem on the backward interpolation formula. We have to find the value at 7.5, and the values of x are equidistant. The difference is 1, so h is 1, and a plus nh is 8. This is a plus nh. This is f of a plus nh. This is del square f of a plus nh, and all. So this table, actually the values of x are in a 8 number. There are 8 values of x or 8 values of y are given, and so the last table column of the table is actually del raised to 7 fx. But at this column, that is at the del cube fx column, what is your observation? All the values of all the entries in this column are same, and therefore no need to find further columns, because if you find del raised to 4 fx, then what is the values? What are the entries in that? 6 minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the entries in the further columns are 0, and therefore terminate the table at this stage, at this column. That is, if at any stage, if the entries in the column are same, all the entries in the column are same, then no need to find further columns. So this is the backward difference table, and then write the formula. Only write the terms up to del cube, because after del cube there is no term, no column. So all the values remaining further differences, that is del raised to 4, del raised to 5, all are 0. And then write the formula, general formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, and substitute the value of u. So first find u, that is x minus last point divided by h is 1, a plus nh is last point is 8, and we have to find the value at 7.5. So this is u, and then substitute the values and find the answer. So 421.875 is the answer, corresponds to 7.5. So similar problem. So this is the value of theta, and these are the values of tan theta, and we have to find the value at 17 at this place. Okay, lies in 69. And what is the difference? Common difference, h is 4 and a plus nh is 24. So prepare the backward difference table and substitute the values in the formula. So write the formula up to del raised to 6 term. Why? Because we have the value at del raised to 6. So last column is del raised to 6. So write the formula up to, write the terms up to del raised to 6. So what is the coefficient? U plus 1, U plus 2, U plus 3, U plus 4, U plus 5 divided by 6 factorial. So a plus nh means last point, x means we have to find the value at 17, h is 4, find value of u minus 7 by 4, right, either in a fractional form or in the form of point, that is minus 7 by 4, right, in the point form, or in write it as it is in the fractional form. So substitute the values, and then f of 17, that is tan of 17 is this. So these are the exercise on the Newton's backward interpolation formula. So same examples. So solve all these examples. The answers are given. So solve all homework example and communicate with me on WhatsApp or SY